Okay, welcome to this very special open drama class where we are going to have our class, but we have some people that might see what we are doing now, but later at home you will be able to watch this later. So let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Excellent. So the first thing is that today we are going to show some stories that we have prepared, right? But these stories, how have we created them? What did we use to start inventing these stories?
Genre.
Genres. What's a genre? When I say genre, it's like there can be so many things. What kind of genres did we use?
Horror, adventure, ninjas, and cowboys.
Those horror, adventure, ninjas, cowboys, those are what kind of genres? Yes.
They are different kind of genres.
Of genres, perfect. Take it.
Genre.
Movie genre, taken from the movie. So we take as a reference the idea of the cinema and the code of the cinema in order to invent our stories, to create our stories. Yes, Monza?
That's another thing that you need when you are acting or when I don't know. You want costumes.
Costumes, good. Another thing that we use is costumes. And then we use some other thing that is all around, these pieces of, what we call these, yes?
Of clothes.
Pieces of cloth like to decorate, to play different objects, to use clothes, or some people use it as weapons, I think, many things. Many uses for a piece of cloth. So, all in all, what is it that we have to use use a piece of cloth and make it into a weapon, or many things? Yeah? What is imagination? Good, lovely imagination. Yes, we have to use our imagination. This is what we have used. Okay, here I have some slips of papers that have different genres, movie genres that we have worked with on it. So what we're going to do is you're going to come front over here and perform in silence. It's like not talking, not explaining, so that the others can guess which is the genre that you have got. Okay? Ready? Who'd like to start? Okay, come.
But the eagle.
Fast. Here.
Storm. Me.
What is that?
Horror?
Zombies. Good. Come. That's a zombie. That's a nice zombie. Right? No. Come on. That's nice. You see?
Romantic?
Yes. How did you get that? She was kind of floating because of love, I think. Here. What is that? Comedy.
Ninjas. Adventure?
Yeah. Let her finish her performance. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay.
Horror.
Not horror. Close.
The scare? No.
No.
No. Spy.
No.
Team, amigos.
Yes.
No!
Oh, she gets.
What?
She gets.
What?
Go. Finish. Finish your. Finish. Ah, okay. Luca. Yeah. And this is the last one.
Después lo podemos hacer de vuelta.
What was that? Yes, horror. Right. Okay. Now that we went through all the different genres that we have worked, we are going to show our first story. So which is the story that we are going to show first, we said? Which is going to be first?
Adventure.
An adventure story, right? Who is in the adventure story? Put up your hand. Ah, good, lovely. Which story are we going to see second? Which is the put up the hands, the ninjas. Ah, nice. Which story are we going to see third? The cowboy story. And the last one is horror. Good. So let's get ready to see the story. So those who are audience, sit down carefully, and the other